Hi, I'm Lori with Team Gabriel Coldwell Banker, and I'm standing in our newest listing at 110 Dibble Hollow Lane. This is a fabulous, fabulous complex that everybody wants to live in. It's in Windsor, Connecticut. It's conveniently located near all airports, highways, restaurants, stores, and everything you would need is very conveniently located here. It's a popular town that a lot of people want to live in. Once they're here, they stay here for years and years and years. This complex is very, very nice. It is very affordable, low taxes, low fees, and it has everything done for you. I love it when somebody can mow my lawn and plow my snow. I think that's fabulous. In this unit, inside, you're going to see a nice, dedicated dining room space, but it's a very open floor plan, so I think that that's fabulous. They have a large dining room set in here, and there's plentiful room. And then when you pan over to the actual living room, it's wide open to the kitchen, which is also a really great thing. I love it when you can be watching Rachel Ray on TV and at your breakfast bar chopping up your dinner. So this has a nice white cabinetry. You have tiled backsplash, a nice breakfast bar, so plenty of room for you to sit there. Plus have your big parties, so you have your dining room space, living room space. You have a half bath that has been remodeled on this floor, and it's remodeled in very, very modern. You have foyer, you have a tiled entrance, and an attached garage too. Everybody loves attached garages. Upstairs, you have very large bedrooms. Each bedroom has its own bathroom. You have a large primary with cathedral ceilings, skylight, a huge walk-in closet, and a modern bathroom as well. The other room can be used as a second bedroom or an office if you'd like, but it does have plentiful closet space and a full bath too. There's all new flooring up and down. So it has fabulous modern flooring. The association would take care of your roofing, your siding, and your windows. All these windows are tilt-in windows, and you have a new slider over here and a large deck that backs to woods. It's super, super quiet. You have a large full basement with gas heat, central air, security system. You have central vac here. All the appliances are included. Washer, dryer, all your appliances in your kitchen. Everything you could need is here. So if you'd like more information about this beautiful, unique condo, then give me a call at 860-926-5101 or check us out on our website at teamgabriel.net. We look forward to hearing